So this is an MAN TGE. It's the new van, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to try to show you how to remove the door handle when it has a lock barrel in place. Personally, I think this is easier than the side without a lock barrel, but it's quite tricky to do it one-handed. But anyway, I'll give it a go. So there's a little rubber cap over this that I've already taken off because I couldn't do that one-handed. And then what you need to do is unlock this, unscrew this little bolt, but not all the way. I think it says 7 full turns in the manual, and this is the tricky bit. We've got it far enough. What you need to do is pull the handle out like that, hold it there, and then push that, and then you just need to keep working that out and a little bit and push until you get far enough. That then comes out with the lock barrel still in place, with the handle still in place, sorry. And then if you leave that there, I think that will then come out. And obviously refitting is just the opposite way around.